How to easily automate your delivery notes and summary using Excel. In this video, I am going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to automate your delivery notes and summary using simple formulas and features of Excel. Okay, so first I am going to show you how you can create a printable delivery note which is already linked to your summary. So Excel provides pre-made templates you can choose to design and customize or just improve based on your needs. So you just have to go to File, and click New. And you will find here pre-made templates by Excel, okay, which you can just customize so you don't have to work from scratch. Okay, so for this tutorial, we wanted to have a delivery note template, but unfortunately it is not available. So since an invoice contains most of the information that we require, we can just use an invoice template then. Okay, so you can select any of these templates. For me, I'm just gonna select this one. Okay, you just click create and then start modifying it. Replace the company name and the logo with your own company name. Okay, and then again customize the document information. So here, invoice, we want to name it delivery note. Okay, let's reduce and change the invoice word to delivery note. Okay, and again you can customize the rest of the information later. Okay, and you can also remove those data that you don't want to be there. Okay, so now that we have a template, okay, we just want to identify and note on the side what are the data that we need in our summary now. So in this delivery note, what are the information that is required or are important? So first, we're going to start with the delivery date or the transaction date. Okay, the reference number or the document number, the party name, the description, the item number, the quantity, unit price, and amount. So some of the delivery notes, it is actually not mandatory for a delivery to have price, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna keep the information. All right, so now that we have this data, we just need to create now the summary sheet that we'll have. So we can name this delivery note data. Okay, data. Okay, I just want you to copy this, go to the new sheet, right click your mouse. Okay, this is a Excel shortcut. Click on paste special and transpose. Right, so now you have those noted informations that we require on our summary. For the purpose of inventory control, I would also like to add an additional column, which I will name as inventory. So since this is a delivery note, so it is actually an inventory out. Okay. So I'm gonna explain you later what is the purpose of this column. All right. So now we're gonna start to fill the data. We're gonna start to populate the data here. Okay, so let's assume that I am in a trading business of garments, which is into selling of shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, etc. So let us start to fill. So let's say we have 3 deliveries or 3 delivery notes in a day. Okay, 1 delivery note with multiple items, and some of the delivery note has single item. So let's start to fill. First, we're gonna fill the date of the delivery. The reference number is actually the document number. So I'm gonna suggest you to start with the code of the document, which is the delivery note, the year, and then the months of the delivery note and the series number. So we have this D2026-03-001. The party name is that to whom you're gonna deliver the, of course, the items. So let's say ABC Company. The description, let's say it is, I sold shirts. Okay, item number, at the moment we can like skip this one. The quantity, let's say 2 quantities. The unit price, let's say it's 20 dirham or dollar. And then the amount is actually, okay, we just have to multiply, and that's the amount. Okay, let's format this into currency. Okay, so now we have one delivery note here. Okay, let's continue filling. So we'll move on to second delivery note. Okay, Control D for shortkey of copying the reference number and just modify the number. Okay, so we'll make one company name DEF, and then let's say I sold pants. Okay, 3 items for 30 dirham or dollars, as you like. And then we're gonna multiply, right? And then we'll move on to the third delivery note of 26. Okay, Control D and just modify delivery note. Okay, and then let's say I sold shorts, and I sold 1 and 10 dirham. Control D for copying the formula. And let's say I also sold shirts for the same company. Control D, okay, to copy the same DN. Okay, so one delivery note for 2 items, and Control D or Control C, Control D. Okay, so that you will have, you know, automatic formula for this. And you keep moving. Okay, so we have delivery note 4 and JL, and then let's say I sold pants, and I sold 4, and the price of my pants is 30. Control D. Okay, and then lastly another delivery note and number 5 and NO, and let's say I sold skirts. I sold 1 and I sold it for 15. All right, so this column is actually for inventory, like what is the effect of these deliveries to my inventory. So let's say these items came from my warehouse or from my stocks. So I just want to link this. Minus means it's gonna be like a reduction to my inventory. Just wanna format it. Okay. So this is an example of populating or summarizing the delivery requirement. So for a day, for example, I have 5 delivery requirements. So first, I'm gonna summarize it first before I convert it to a printable version. So what I'm doing is actually a summary to printable delivery note. So we summarize first, then print the delivery note. So it's actually the other way around. Instead of printing delivery note first and then summarize, so what I'm doing is actually I'm doing the summary first and then convert it to a delivery note. So the advantage of this is that there will be more accuracy on recording, less mistake, of course, right? So you are simultaneously populating your data and printing the same information on your actual delivery note. Okay, so the next step is to convert this data to a table so that we can automate our delivery note template. So how do we convert this to a table? You just need to highlight the data of this summary and then click on insert and then click table and click OK. All right, and then we're gonna go back to the delivery note template. Okay, and then we're gonna start on the delivery note, wherein we're gonna put a drop down menu. Okay, so the delivery note number is will be actually the main basis of this Excel on identifying the data from our summary. So how do we do or insert a drop down menu? So you just need to go to data and then click on data validation and then click on the list and go to our source. The source will be this. Okay, or you can just the whole thing. Okay. And then here click OK. So now you have your drop down menu. If you go to this cell opposite this delivery note, okay, you see this arrow down, and then you have all these choices. Okay, so the good thing about this, because we have a table, so whenever we add a data, so let's say we just click on the tab, and then let's say create a new delivery note. Okay, additional delivery note with a new number, and then let's say you sold shirts, another 2 for 20. Okay, so the table automatically calculates the amount also, and if you go to your drop down menu, so it actually adds whatever additional delivery note that you put on your summary. Next is we're going to use the XLOOKUP and filter formula to further automate this delivery note. These simple formulas will help us to automatically fill the data of our document based on the number we choose using the drop-down menu. So for example, if we choose this first delivery note, all we have to do is go to the delivery date and start to plug the XLOOKUP formula. XLOOKUP, and then we're gonna go where we want to search and what result we want to return in the cell. Easy. So whenever we choose, whenever we change the delivery note choice here in the drop down menu, let's say I choose 6. Okay, so it automatically changes my delivery note date also. All right, so we can keep doing it on the client name. Okay, and the address, if you want to add address, you also have to add address on our table. Okay, and of course we can also remove some information that we don't need. Okay, so in the bill 2 we can also plug the XLOOKUP function, what we are searching, where we want to search, and what result we want in this cell, and close the formula and enter. Okay, so again, if I choose or change this delivery note number here, automatically the client name changes as well. Okay, so go back to DN01. Okay, now we're gonna move on the body, wherein there is item, description, quantity, and the price. Okay, so before we go on, like, it is important to note that you have to convert this. See, since we are using a pre-made template of Excel, okay, before we plug our formula, we have to remove the table format of this template. So all you have to do is to right click your mouse and then choose table and convert to range. Okay, that way it will remove the table format of these cells. Okay, so we will not have issue on whenever we are putting our own formula. So what we do next is to remove the data here. Okay, and since there will be delivery note which has like multiple results, like for example here one delivery note has 2 items. Okay, so there will be 2 items here and 2 descriptions there. Okay, so for example, if we put here 1, this is the item number only. Okay, the item number which is required in this column. It is simply the series number of the descriptions. Okay, so for the item and description for this one, we will use a filter formula. Okay, filter formula is actually used you know, to read the data, to return the data with multiple results. Unlike XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, it only returns single result. So here it's easy as this. Use filter, open the formula. So same thing here in the description, equals filter. Okay, what data you want to return on that cell, and then what are you searching for? I want to search here the delivery note number. Okay, just leave it, equal enter. Okay, so if I choose delivery note number 3, as you see, it automatically gives the data of that delivery note, even if it has multiple items. All right, so just keep plugging the same filter formula. So for quantity column, what we want to filter, and add our condition, like which delivery note we want. Okay, and close our formula. As you see, it automatically reads the quantity. So it is actually reading the delivery note data here. So if ever you have this, or let's say 8, so as you see, it automatically changes here. So keep doing the same. It's very simple. Okay, read the unit price and then add a condition of which delivery note you are searching for. Discount, you can just keep it blank, and then the amount, what we want here, and our condition, and close the formula. Okay, that's it. Okay, you have summation here. The tax is an optional thing, sales tax is an optional thing. You can remove, okay, the rows that you don't want in this delivery note. If you have any deposit, right, and again remove those texts that you don't want on your form. Okay, let's just modify the word invoice and make it delivery subtotal. So this is how it looks like. So the data changes based on the delivery note that you choose. Let's say you want to print delivery note number 1, okay, and let's say you want to print delivery note number 3, or you want to print delivery note number 6, okay, and it keeps going. So as you add more data to your delivery note, let's say today is 24, 326, and numbering 7, and I'm gonna repeat client ABC I sold pants and I sold 5 quantity. The price is 30. Alright, so I created a new delivery note, which is DN7. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is a delivery note that you can use every day. Let's say I repeat PQR and I sold skirts. I sold 2. Sorry, this is 1 item. I sold 10. Okay, price of my skirt is 20. Alright, so I added 2 new delivery notes, and if I go to this printable delivery note, as you see, it automatically adds whatever new data I add for the day. So if I choose delivery note 8, then it automatically, displays the information of delivery note number 8. Isn't it cool? Alright. So again, let's say, let's say there are multiple items for one delivery note. Let's try this one. Control D. Let's say I sold shorts, I sold pants. So I have 3 items, and I sold, let's say, 20, 30 items. Okay, my short price is 10 dirham. My pants price is 30. Okay, let's go to the printable delivery note and check what happens here. If I choose 8, as you see, cool, isn't it? So it automatically displays the information of that delivery note. Since I'm using a pre-made printable version of delivery notes, so you just have to click print, and there you go. You have now a printable delivery note which is already linked to your summary. You can print your delivery note real-time simultaneously when you are preparing your summary.